Today we're learning the running suture step by step. Start with one simple interrupted stitch at one end of the wound. Square the knot and leave the tail short. This becomes your anchor. Position the knot on the opposite side where your next bite will begin. Running sutures alternate sides in a zigzag sequence. Placing the knot on the opposite side allows your closure to follow that path naturally. Do not cut the suture. You will continue running from the stitch. Step 2. Advance forward with evenly spaced bites, essentially repeating simple interrupted technique in a continuous fashion. Stay about 3 to 5 millimeters from the wound edge. Space your bites roughly 5 to 10 millimeters apart, adjusting based on location and tissue. Keep your depth and spacing consistent. Symmetry is key to proper tension distribution. Approximate the wound edges without blanching or puckering. If the skin turns white or dimples, your tension is too tight. And for the final step, once you reach the end of the wound with proper tension maintained, tie off using an instrument tie on the loop to secure it. If you're finding value in these videos, please like and subscribe. It really helps support this channel.